So we are starting with some of the examples. Okay, yesterday in the class we did about the similarities. Okay, how you can say that the two triangles are similar. So there were three rules, three criteria by which we can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, now first one is SSS criteria, that is side, side, side. If all the three sides of the triangle are in the proportion, that means all the three angles will be equal and hence the triangle will be similar. Okay, now there's another AAA criteria. If all the three angles are equal, then the sides will be in proportion and the two triangles will be similar. The third one is SAS. Okay, if one angle is equal and the two sides which are containing those angles are in proportion, then the triangles are similar. Okay, both the triangles are similar. Okay, now on this similarity we are going to give some examples. Okay, what type of question you will get in your examination. Okay, for example 4, from the given figure find angle P. Now if you see angle P is, okay, you have to find out the value of angle P. Now if you look in the figure, all the three sides value are given for both the triangle. So from similarity of triangle you can check two triangles can be similar if their sides are in the ratio. Okay, so first we will check that if their sides are in the ratio, that means from the SSS criteria, if the sides are in the ratio, that means the angle will be equal. So if we will prove that the two triangles are similar and their sides are in the ratio, then the angles will be equal, so that we will be able to find out the angle P. Okay, now if you see the triangle ABC and RQP, here the triangle fixed. Okay, if you see the triangle here, everybody, so the two triangles are what? The two triangles that you can check for similarity. So in triangle ABC, one triangle is ABC and the next triangle that we will take is RQP. Okay, it is RQP. From depending on the side, okay, you can see that AC will be similar to PR. Okay, so we are actually, you can say, flipping the triangle, the second triangle. Okay, so we are taking triangle RQP. Okay, now here if you check the ratio, so AB by RQ. Okay, so AB by RQ will be 3.8 by 7.6. Okay, so it will be half. Okay, now again the next side if you see, so BC by QP. Okay, so if you see BC by QP, the 6 by 12, it will again be half. The ratio will again be half. Now the third side if you will check, that is CA by PR. CA by PR will be 3√3 and 6√3. That will again give you half. So you can see here that AB by RQ is equal to BC by QP is equal to CA by PR. Okay, so that means if the ratios are equal, all the three ratios are equal, that means triangle ABC is similar to triangle RQP. And from which criteria? From SSS criteria. Okay, from SS criteria, both the triangles are similar. Now, since the triangles are similar, the angles will also be equal. Okay, all the three angles will be equal, of this triangle will be equal to the other three triangles. Now, if in the triangle ABC, you will see angle A will be equal to angle R. Okay, angle A will be equal to angle R, and angle B will be equal to angle Q. This angle B will be equal to angle Q, and angle C will be equal to angle P. Okay, three colors I have marked so that you can figure out. Okay, so angle B will be equal to angle Q, angle A is equal to angle R, and angle C will be equal to angle P. Now from here, we have to figure out what is the angle P. Okay, and in triangle ABC also C is not given, but two angles are given, and we already know that the sum of the angles are equal to 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C in triangle ABC. We are doing in triangle ABC. Angle C will be equal to 180 degree, and we already know the value of angle A, 80 degree plus 60 degree plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. That means angle C will be equal to 40 degree. Okay, so angle C, and from the equation 1, you can see, since the triangles are similar, therefore angles will also be equal. So angle P will equal to angle C, so angle P will be equal to angle 40 degree. Okay, any doubt how I have done with SSS criteria? Okay, now let's see 2-3 more examples. Okay, now in this example number 5, if you see the figure here, and what's the question here? In the given figure, PQR, Now there are two triangles, and both the triangles are right angle triangle. That means one of its angle is a right angle. Okay. Now in triangle, what? Shazan, your voice is not very clear. Shazan, your voice is not clear. Okay, in the given figure, PQR, one of the triangle is PQR. Okay, PQR, and another triangle is. So how you are taking class, Shazan? Are you able to hear me? Okay. Now in the two triangle PQR and QST are two right angle triangle. Okay, if the figure is in this way, okay, and if you're facing problem to figure out which two side you will be comparing, make two different diagrams. Okay, that looks which, so that they can correspond to each and every side. Okay, for example, here in this figure. Okay, let me just pick up this figure and then add it. Okay. Now if you see here, one triangle is PQR. If you can draw it separately as one of the triangle as PRQ. Okay, and if you need to draw the another triangle in same pattern, okay, same pattern like this only. Okay, so what will be here? The right angle is at P. Okay, and then this is the S and this is Q. Okay, so you understood? So this way it will make your work little easier. You can understand that how it is the two figures are. Okay, now here, what is the complete question? Let's understand. In the given figure, PQR and QST, okay, PQR and QST are two right angle triangles at R and T, right angle at R and T. So one is right angle at R and one is right angle at T respectively. Now you have to prove this, that QR multiplied by QS is equal to QP into QP. Okay. Now, if you remember that we can have this ratio. If the two triangles are similar, then we can take this ratio of the sides. Okay. Now, how can you say that these two triangles are similar? PRQ and STQ. Okay. Now, to say that these two triangles are similar, see, if you see here, angle R is equal to angle T, everybody, because both are 90 degree. Yeah, both the angles are 90 degree. Okay. Now, angle Q will be equal to angle Q, same angle. Okay. Angle Q is common in both the triangles. Okay, you can see here, angle Q is in both the triangle. So, obviously, angle Q will be equal to angle Q. So, we have got two angles equal. And already you know that if two angles are equal, third angle will also be equal because the sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. So, from AA criteria, both triangles are similar. Okay, so here you can say that triangle PRQ is similar to triangle STQ. Now, if the triangles are similar, that means that their side will be in the ratio. Yes.
So what are the criteria for two triangles to be similar?
There are three criteria, Satya. Okay, if you have missed the class, go in the handouts and see the means all the lectures are there. Okay, in handouts all the notes are present. Okay, there are three criteria: SSS criteria, AAA criteria, SAS criteria. Okay. Now, what is SSS criteria? If all the three sides of the triangle are in this ratio, they are equal. Okay. In the ratio, that means the two triangles are similar and all the three angles will be equal. Okay. The AA criteria will be all the three angles are equal. The triangles will be similar and the sides will be in the ratio. Okay. Will be equal in this ratio. Okay. The third criteria is SAS. If one angle is equal, okay, if one angle is equal and the two sides which are containing that angle are in the ratio, then the two triangles are similar. These are three criteria. Okay. Now, if you see here, I've written only A criteria because you already know that if two angles are equal, third angle will be equal. So you can write here also the third angle equal and write here A criteria. Okay, because angle R is equal to angle T 90 and angle Q is equal to angle Q. The third angle will be 180 minus angle R, angle Q. Okay, that will be minus 90 minus angle Q, and same will be in both that angle. Okay, triangle. That means you can say this angle, which is not common here, this will be equal to 180 degree minus 90 minus angle Q, or you can say 90 minus angle Q. It will be 90 degree minus angle Q, and same will be the value of this angle also, 90 minus angle Q. Okay, so therefore angle P will be equal to angle S. Now you understood, Safiya? How the two triangles are similar? Which criteria? Okay, since the two triangles are similar, their sides will be in the ratio. Okay, now all the three sides will be in the ratio, but here if you see, we have to prove that QR into QS is equal to QP by QT. So we are going to take those sides only. So if you will take those sides only, so it will be QR. If you see here QR by QT it will be. Okay, QR by QT it will be. Okay, and QP. QP by QS will be. Okay. And this will be the other side. Okay. So so QR by QT is equal to QP by QS. Okay. We needed these two sides only. That's why we have used. Otherwise, it will be equal to this. This both the things will be equal to PR by ST also. Okay. But since we need this only, we have written these only. Now here it can be written as, okay. So QR multiplied by QS is equal to QT multiplied by QP. And this only it needed to be proved. Okay. If you see in the question. Okay. Just look, we have to prove this. Okay. QR into QS is equal to QP by QP into QT. Okay. Any doubt in this question? These types of only, see, if you remember all the criteria, okay, and the proof, you'll not find any difficulty in solving the question. Okay. Everything will be in your mind. Okay, these are the criteria. And you have to always look at what are given. Okay. Whenever you're solving this geometrical problem or any mathematical problem, always write given. What is given in your hand. Okay. And what you have to find out. That will make your work easier. Okay. Now, if you see example number 6, it is similar like that. Okay. In the given figure, triangle ABC. Okay. Now, in the given figure, triangle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Okay. And BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay. Now, if BD is perpendicular to AC, that means angle BDA will be equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now, if this is 90, then BDC will be 90, and so as angle BDA will also be 90 degree. Okay. If BD is equal to 8 centimeter and AD is equal to 4 centimeter, then find the value of CD. Now, you have to find out the value of CD. Now, can you tell me how can you find out the value of CD? You can take two triangles. You can prove that they're similar, and if you are going to prove them similar, then you can take this ratio of the sides. Okay. And when you take the ratio of the sides, take the ratio of the side in such a way that the two sides which are given, okay, they are there. Okay. And the third side that will come in the square or something. Okay. So that you can figure out what is the value of CD, or that has a common side. Okay. Now, which two triangle you are going to choose? Okay. See, there are three triangles in this figure. Okay. So which two triangle we are going to take to get this value of CD? Okay. Now, we are going to take the triangle ADB and triangle BDC. These two small triangles. Okay. The line which is perpendicular, they are dividing the triangle into two small triangles. We are going to take these two small triangles. Okay. Now, in these two small triangles, if you see, then angle ADB is equal to angle BDC. Why? Because both are 90 degree. Okay. Both the angles are 90 degree. Understood? Now, the another angle that you have got is DBA. Okay. DBA will be equal to DCB. Why? Because both the angle will be equal to minus 90 degree. If you see the bigger triangle ABC, then value of angle C will be 180 degree minus 90. 90 minus angle A. Okay. Because angle B is 90 and angle A is left. So it will be 90 minus angle A. And if you will see the angle here, DBA, same will be there. Okay. 90 minus angle A. So both the values are same. So that's why angle DBA is equal to angle DCB. Understood? So from AA criteria, again, the two triangles are similar. Since the two triangles are similar, their sides ratio will also be equal. So let's see. We will choose the sides ratio in such a way that our purpose is solved. We need to find out the value of CD. Okay. So we are taking BD by CD is equal to AD by BD. Okay. Because these two sides value are given to you. Okay. So CD is equal to BD square by AD, and BD value is also given and AD value is also given. Okay. So CD is 16 centimeter. Anybody, any doubt? Okay. Some different way of solving the question. Okay. The question can come in this way also. Okay. Now, problematic way, like theory type of question or mixed with some different criteria. Okay. Now here, if you see question example number 8. Find the value of height h. Okay, it looks like that it's like a trigonometry problem. Okay, when you will learn about trigonometry, you'll learn the trigonometry chapter. Then say it looks like a trigonometry question, but here it is a triangle. Okay, so find the value of h. We need to find the value of h, that is ED. Okay, in the adjoining figure at which the tennis ball must be hit so that it will just pass over the net and land 6 meters away from the base of the net. Now, if you will see the figure, AB value is already given 6 meter. BD value is also given as 2 meter, or you can say AD value is given as 18 meter. Okay. Now, EH value is also given, CV value is also given. So you can take the proportion of sides. You can take two triangles. One, the smaller triangle at the tip of the bigger triangle that you can see. That is ACB. One of this triangle you can take, one this triangle, and the other one is the bigger triangle. AED. Okay. So if you're taking these two triangles and you are proving that these two triangles are similar, then you can take the ratio of the sides. Okay. And how can we prove that these two triangles are similar? From the area, from the angle. Sorry. So angle A is common in both the triangle, if you see carefully. So angle A is in angle ACB also, and angle A is there in angle AED also. Okay. So this angle is common. See, you have two triangles. I'm drawing it separately. If I'm drawing it separately, you can see that one triangle is ACB and one triangle is AED. Okay. This is H. This is 0.9 meter and this is 6 meter, and this whole side is 18 meter. Divided into two parts, 6 meter, 12 meter. Okay. And what else? This will be 90 degree. Okay. This will be 90 degree because your height is taken in the straight. Okay. So this will be 90 degree and the net will also be straight only. It will not be slanting. We are assuming it. So this will also be 90 degree. And angle A is common in both. And this is 90 degree. And this angle, obviously, it will be 90 minus angle A. Okay. This angle will also be 90 minus angle A. So angle A is equal to angle A, or you can say not like this. When they are two input criteria, so we will write differently. That is angle CAB is equal to angle EAD, okay, and angle CBA is equal to angle EDA, 90 degree, okay, angle A common, and then angle ACB is equal to angle AED. Why? Because both angles are 90 minus angle A. Okay, so from AA criteria, both triangles are similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, since both the triangles are similar, you can say that the sides will be in the ratio. Now, what is the sides? Because we already know the three sides, we are choosing in that way only. Okay, see in the figure. AB and BD value we know, or you can say AB and AD value we know, CD value we know. So H only we need to find out. Okay, so how we can choose? We can choose therefore DE. Okay, in the figure if you see DE by CB. Okay, so DE by BC is equal to AD by AB. Okay, since the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So angle, sorry, DE is H, BC is 0.9, and then AD is 18 centimeter and AB is 6. So from here, you'll get the value of H is 18 multiplied by 0.9 by 6. Okay, 3 into 0.9, 4.7. Okay, so any doubt how you're going to solve this type of question? Okay, so everybody try to do the second one. Okay, I want that everybody do the second one. A girl of height 90 centimeter. Okay, the height of the girl is 90 centimeter, is walking away from the base. Okay, walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. Okay, now here speed is given. Okay, and you know how to find out the distance. Okay, distance is equal to speed into time. So a lamppost at speed 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter, the height of the lamp is given and above the ground. Then find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. So it is already telling you that after 4 seconds, what will be the shadow, length of the shadow. So you can take out the distance of the girl from the lamppost. That will be how much? Speed is equal to, distance is equal to
1.2 into, ma'am, what is the time given?
4 seconds.
Ma'am, 1.2. Ma'am, that is 4.8
This will be speed upon time. Speed into time, sorry. The speed into time will be what? 1.2 into, yes. 4.8. Yes, 4.8 meter. Okay. So you have got the distance here. Okay. That is the value of BD. Okay. So we have got the value of BD, that is 4.8 centimeter. This is 4.8 centimeter. Sorry, 4.8 meter. Distance is there. Okay. And we have to find out the shadow. That is DE, the value of DE. And the girl's height is how much? The girl of height 90. The girl height is 90 centimeter. Okay, 90 centimeter. So you have to convert this centimeter into meter. So that will be 0.9 meter. Okay, because everything is in meter. So we need to change this value only. So similarly, you're going to prove both the triangles similar like we did in the above question, and then we will take the ratio of AB by CD upon BE by DE. Then you will get the value of X. So can anybody, yeah, Satya? Satya, you asking something?
No, ma'am.
Are you having any doubt in this question? You can draw two different triangles also to make your work easier. Okay, one of the triangle is ADE. Okay, and the other triangle is the smaller one, that is CDE. This X is not known. This is 0.9 meter. This value is 3.6 meter, and this whole value is what? 4.8 plus X. This is not only 4.8. This is 4.8 plus X, because we are taking these two triangles. So what it will be? First, you have to prove both the triangles are similar. How can you prove both the triangles are similar? Since the lamp rod will be standing in a vertical direction, so it will be 90 degree. Girl will be standing also 90, so straight, so that will be 90 degree. Okay, so angle B and angle D will be equal, since it will be 90 degree, and angle E is common in both. So from A criteria, both the triangles are similar. After that, what you will do? You will choose the since the triangles are similar, the side will be in proportion. Now, which sides will you be choosing? The value, where you have to know the value. So it will be BE by DE. BE by DE is equal to AB by CD. Or here, BE value will be 4.8 plus X, and DE value
It
will
will
be
be AE by CE.
AE by C. Why you are taking AE by C? AE by C is also correct, Shazan. Okay, this will also be equal to AE by CE. All the three sides will be in proportion. Okay, but why you are taking AE by CE? You don't know the value of AE by CE.
Oh.
Yeah, so we are just going to eliminate this. We are just taking, because if you make it equal, you'll get the value. Okay, so we are taking these two sides only, because these two sides value are known. Okay, and only one value is not known.
Okay.
AE by CE is correct. It will be also equal, but we don't know the value. Why to bring it here? Okay, and then CD is 0.9. So if you see here, you will get the whole, you can say equation. Okay, you will get an equation. What will be the equation? It will be 4.8 plus X is equal to 3.6 X, and here it will be 0.9. Okay, so if you will multiply this 0.9 into 4.8, okay, or you can just cancel that out. Okay, wait, I will cancel here only. It will be better. So if you will cancel this, you will get 4. So 4.8 plus X is equal to 4X. Okay, so it will be 3X is equal to 4.8. So X is equal to 4.8 by 3, which will be X is equal to 1.6. Anybody any doubt?
No, ma'am, the answer is 16.
Satya, do you have any doubt?
I didn't get how you did that after 4 seconds.
Where? How we I have used 4 seconds. See
Yes, ma'am.
the question properly. See, a girl height is 90 centimeter. The girl height is given. Okay, you understand the question here. Girl height is 90 centimeter. Is walking away from the base of the lamp post. A lamp is there. From that lamp, she is walking away. Okay, she is walking away, and it is giving you at what speed she is walking away. She is walking away at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. Okay. Now, the lamp height is also given to you. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, that is the height of the lamp. Then find the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. Okay, after 4 seconds, you need to find out. Now, the girl shadow will be formed in front of her only. Okay, so this DE will be her shadow. Okay, now she is walking away from the lamp at a speed of 1.2 meter second, and you have to find out the shadow at 4 seconds. मतलब जब वो 4 सेकंड पर चल चुकी है, तब आपको shadow find करना है. Okay, so 4 seconds चल चुकी है, and you already know the speed. So you can find out the distance between the lamp and the girl. Okay, so the distance between the lamp and the girl will be what? Distance is equal to speed into time. So speed into time, you will do the 1.2 into 1.2 into 4, you'll get 4.8 meter. Okay, that will be the distance between the girl and the lamp post. And DE, the girl and this E point, the shadow, you need to find out that height. Sorry, not height, that X value. Rochelle Rudonial, have you understood the question? Any doubt? Okay. Satya, have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have still some doubt, just go through it. Okay, read once more the question and you'll get it. Okay, understood? And if
After the class, can you share the question and the solution on the?
yeah, in the lecture, whatever I'm teaching you here, this written portion, you will get in the lecture, in the app. Okay, you have the Arampool app, everybody?
Yes,
You will Yeah, you will get all this thing in the lecture, and you whatever the notes that are written on this black screen, the white portion, properly written notes, that also you will find in the handout. Okay, and still if you face problem, just tell me in the next class, or you can wait for 5-10 minutes after the class, and I will clear it out. Okay, if anybody of you have the doubts. Okay, now we have learned about the criteria. We have learned about dividend theorem, the converse. We have solved problems on them, and then the second topic was about the similarity of the triangle, how the two triangles can be similar, and we have solved the question also. Now the third topic is area of similar triangles. Okay, what will be the area of two similar triangles? If it is given that two triangles are similar, then what will be the ratio of their sides? Ratio of their areas. Okay, now let's see. Now here we have one more theorem relating the area of the triangle with the similarity. Okay, now the theorem says that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles. Now, if you read it carefully, you'll get to know that two similar triangles. That means the given condition is the two triangles are similar. The two triangles that you're taking, they are both similar. The ratio of the areas, if you take the ratio of the areas of both the triangles, both the similar triangles, is equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, corresponding sides means all the three sides. Okay, if you take the ratio of the triangle area, it will be equal to the ratio of the square of the sides. Okay, corresponding sides. Now let's see. It is given to you that two triangles are similar. Now here I am taking two triangles as ABC and PQR. Okay, I have these two triangles. When you are proving, it depends on you which two triangle you are choosing. You can name them ABC or CDF or anything. Okay, I'm naming it as ABC and PQR. Okay, now what we have to prove, that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to AC by PR whole square or PC by QR whole square. These are the three sides of the triangle. One for triangle ABC, AB, AC, BC. These are the three sides. For triangle PQR, PQ, PR, and QR, the C sides. Okay. Now, for proving, how can we prove this? Okay. So in these two triangles, we have done something extra, the construction work. That is, we have drawn a line from A to M. Okay, draw altitude AM and PN of triangle ABC and PQR. Okay, so we have drawn the altitude, and in such a we have as we have drawn the altitude, so this angle angle M is 90 degree, and angle N is also 90 degree. Okay, now if you come to the proof, let's see. Okay, I'm just copying this. Okay. Now we are proving that in these two triangles, we have to find the area, and we have to prove the condition. What condition we have to prove? This one. We have to prove this. Now, how can we do that? Okay, we will first prove that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now, sorry, not similar. We will prove that AMB is similar to PN because these two triangles are already similar. If you see the given here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now, if two triangles are similar, what are the conditions for two triangles to be similar? Anybody can tell? Two triangles are similar, that means what?
A criteria.
What's that?
A criteria.
No, through that criteria, you prove that the two triangles are similar. But if you know that two triangles are similar, that means what? If the two triangles are similar, that means what?
Angle ABC equal to angle PQ.
All the angles are equal. That is, angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B will be equal to angle Q.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, that's why I'm explaining that the angles will be equal. And one more thing, the sides of the triangles will be in the ratio. Okay, so these two things will be there. So let's see the triangles. Okay, so here if you see the triangle that we are taking, that is ABC, similar to triangle P. Just a minute. Yeah, PQR. Okay, so triangle ABC similar to PQR. That means, therefore, the two things will be equal. The angles will be equal. Now, which angle will be equal to angle which? So, angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B will be equal to angle Q. Okay, and angle C will be equal to angle R. Okay, first equation. And next, since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the equal ratio. Okay, so that means AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. Now this will be second. Now everybody understood this? From this condition, that given that the two triangles are similar, from this we have got the two things. Okay, that the angles are equal and the sides are in the ratio. Okay, now we will choose triangle. What? This ABM we will take, and PQN. Now we are going to take this triangle. and we are going to prove these two triangles are similar or not. Okay, so in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Now, if you see, then angle P will be equal to angle Q because that is given from equation 1. If you see here from equation 1, we already have angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. Now, from if we need to prove it from A criteria, we need another angle. Now, another angle will be what? This angle M and angle N because both are 90 degree. Okay. So, angle M is equal to angle N 90 degree. And since it is 90 degree, so angle A, that is BAM, angle BAM will be equal to angle QPN also. Why? Because it will be equal to 90 minus angle B or 90 minus angle Q. Okay, and we already know B is equal to angle Q. So from A criteria, triangles are similar. From A criteria, what we got that ABM is similar to angle triangle PQN. Okay. Now, if these two triangles are similar, okay, then what we got? Their sides will be in the ratio. So sides will be in the ratio. That means AM by PN. Okay. AM by PN will be equal to AB by PQ is equal to BM by QN. This will be third. Okay. The third equation and the second equation that you will need. Why? Let's see. Now we have to prove that. What we have to prove? The ratio of the area of the triangle. Now let's find what will be the ratio of the area of the triangles. Now if you will see here, the area of triangle will be AR triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. Now Shazan, can you tell me what will be the area of triangle ABC or what is the area of any triangle? What will
be half base into height.
Yeah, half base into height. Okay, the same thing we will apply here, half base into height. So it will be half. What will be the base in ABC? The base will be BC and the height, the altitude will be AM. Okay, so AM. Okay, similarly for triangle PQR, half base will be QR and height will be PN. Okay, understood? Now you can see half up will be cancelled. So what you got? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equal to BC into AM by QR into PN. Okay, yes. Now, if you will see equation second and third, BC by QR, you can see BC by QR can be written as AB by PQ. This BC by QR can be written as AB by PQ. Okay, because both are equal. So we can write it AB by PQ. And if you see in this equation, equation of 4, AM by PN. AM by PN can also be written as AB by AM by PN can also be written as AB by PQ. So same thing we have done here, AB by PQ. So it can be AB by PQ whole square. Okay. So have you got? We have already proved it. Okay. So this is your third, fourth. Yes. And similarly, see, we have taken, what happened? Okay. Now we have taken right now ABM and PQN. Similarly, you are going to take AMC and PNR, and then you will prove for the another side. Okay. So what we have got? Triangle ABC, area of triangle PQR will be equal to AB by PQ square is equal to AC by PR square is equal to BC by QR square. Okay, understood? Or you can choose from here also these two angles. Okay, so understood how you are going to prove the what this? See, this is.
Ma'am, can you explain this part once again from the last third step, after the half base into height?
After the half base into height. Okay.
Yeah.
After half base into, see, half will be cancelled. Okay, everybody, you are going to cancel the half. Okay, because in the denominator, in the numerator, both the way half is there. So you are left with BC multiplied by AM, QR multiplied by PM. Am I right? Now, if you see here, so BC by QR, from, if you see the first equation here, BC by QR, see I marked with blue color, BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ and equal to AC by PR also. So from here, we are choosing AB by PQ, okay? Because if you relate this second equation and the third equation, so AM by PN is also equal to AB by PQ. So if in both the place, we are taking AB by PQ, see? Instead of BC by QR also, we have taken AB by PQ. BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ and AM by PN. AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ. That's what I have done. Okay. So we have got 2 times AB by PQ into AB by PQ. So that AB by PQ whole square. Okay. Now have you understood, Shazan? That after half, what I did? Okay, so we are actually using the equations. Okay, and we have got AB by PQ whole square. Okay, and now you can take the other half of the triangle and you can prove that AC by PR whole square. Okay, and similarly BC by QR whole square. Okay, so we have got this. We have proved that. Now we are going to use it. This is the formula. If formula is asked, then you are going to prove it. Okay, but we are actually, what we do, we use the formula in our questions to solve the question. And what is the, if any time it may ask you the ratio of two triangles, the area of the ratio of two triangles, then how can you find out the ratio of area of two triangles? By the side ratio. Okay, you are going to choose any of the two sides whose values are given and you are going to find the ratio and square it. Okay, now let's see some of the questions here. Okay, now example number 1, if you see here, easiest example. Now what is given here? In triangle ABC and triangle QRP. Now ABC and QRP. Now don't make mistakes. Okay, just see what the triangles are given. It is triangle ABC is not similar to PQR. Okay, and okay, your time is up. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to QRP. So QRP. Okay, this triangle. Okay, now here the area of the triangles ratio are already given, that is 9 by 4. Okay, AB value is given 18, BC value is given 15, and you need to find out the value of PR. Okay, so what will be the ratio of the it is 9 by 5. Yes, am I right? 9 by 4 it is given. Sorry, 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 will be equal to BC by RP whole square. So it will be 9 by 4 is equal to 15 by RP whole square. Yeah, am I right? So now when you're going to solve this, you'll get the answer of RP. Okay, what it will be? That RP whole square.
I will explain this some. Okay, ma'am, the time is over.
Yeah, time is actually up. If you have time, you can wait for 5 minutes. Okay, and then you will multiply by 50 whole square. So you'll get as 10 centimeter. Okay, RP is 10 because you are going to make the root of it. Okay, understood? Everybody, the theorem. Okay, we will do some more questions on this. Okay, in the next class, and most probably I'm going to complete this topic triangles in the next class. Okay, understood? So we are
Yes, ma'am.
we are closing for today. Okay.